Alright guys, so this is me testing the Volkswagen Id.R. It's really fast. I've got some obstacle that need to be passed in high speed, and amazingly these cars really have a super amazing downforce. Even though it's corner, I don't need to push the brake. You can see in here I have to pass some the hazard. This is like the test, and usually in the regular car I have to brake in here, otherwise I will be slipping around or skidding. But this is no, man. See this, 270 kilometers per hour without brake. Woohoo! I really love this car. Really love this car so much. I should have this car on my collection. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the test. You should try it on Rail Racing 3. Cheers.